Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome back to MD Electrical Ghana. Okay, so please, if today is your first time watching our channel, I humbly ask you to press on the red subscription button in order to be part of this awesome family. And also, don't forget to hit on the like button in order to motivate us to bring more stuff like this to you. Okay, so today we went in for one room store electrical installation work. So what you are seeing on your screen is day one of our work. Okay, so day one we go in for piping and fixing of metal or conduit boxes. So what you are seeing up there is a four-way distribution board, and then the reason why we chose four-way distribution board for this single room storeroom is that we don't want to put much or excess load on our breakers. We want the staffs in this room, special room, to be balanced, to be well balanced. Okay, so meaning AC goes for each one breaker, lighting system breaker goes for separate breaker, the socket system, and then the lighting system. Yes, so we don't want to put much load on the breakers. Yes, we want everything to be well balanced. So that's the reason why we went in for four-way distribution board. What you are seeing here is also a couple of 3x3 metal and 3x6 metal boxes. Yes, or conduit boxes. So the two pipes that you are seeing below the 6-way DB, we will place a changeover and then also an RCD right there. Okay, so a couple of 3x3 metal boxes and 3x6. This is the one of the electrical installation work. So please let me pass this information. You see, whenever you call for electrician, make sure your plastering is not yet done, because if you do the plastering before the electrical installation work, it makes the work quite messy. So please do me a favor and call your artisan or your electrician for the electrical work, that's the piping and then the fixing of metal boxes before the plastering is done, because it makes the work somehow not nice at all. Okay, so this is day two of our electrical installation work or wiring. So what you are seeing there is a coaxial cable for our satellite installation work. That very PVC pipe is what we will use to serve or what we use to transmit power from the ECG power point to the distribution board. So that's the end of the coaxial cable for our satellite installation work. Here 3x3 13 amps twin socket will be installed here, switch, fan, and then an AC system will be installed right here. And that's our ceiling. The client will go for a POP design. So for now, we are just using these type of folders and ceiling rules to test our system to know that everything is working perfectly fine. Yes, so that's a couple of that's our four-way DB distribution board. So you can see it comes with 4 breakers, 4 MCBs, that's miniature circuit breakers. Here we're gonna fix an RCD. The reason why we are fixing the RCD top there is because the main switch or the distribution board or the consumer unit that we instructed our client to go for, he didn't go for that specific one, so he went for different brand. This is also, it works perfectly fine. This is also fine, but just that they don't provide there's no provision where you can install your RCD. So in this case, we'll bring the RCD on the meter board, and then below the RCD position too, you can see a couple of cables. That's where we're gonna fix our changeover. That's our single phase 2-pole 63 amps changeover switch. That's where we will. So as you can see on your screen, that's our changeover switch neatly installed on the meter board. But for now, we've not installed the RCD, but definitely we're gonna install the RCD. Yes, because RCD is it's also a protective device, and it's very sensitive. It's very sensitive. I love using RCDs because it monitors current leakages. Yes, leakages or leakage current to the to the earthing system. It monitors it very well. So we're gonna install an RCD. Yes, we're gonna install an RCD right there. So that's a demonstration of the changeover switch on your screen. Yes. So when there is ECG, we move to the ECG position, neutral, generator position. Yes, so that's a 4-way DB neatly installed. Yes, and then our changeover system also neatly installed. Yes. So please don't forget to like this video in order to motivate us to bring more stuff on this channel. Yes. So that's another demonstration. When there's a power outage from the ECG, you move the 9 switch all the way to the generator set, and then you turn on your generator and you are good to go. And also, if there is power on the ECG side, you move to ECG. Power runs from the ECG position to the load and then to the distribution board, and vice versa. Okay, so that's our 2-gang switch, one for the inner light and one for the outside light, and also our ceiling fan position. That's where we will place the ceiling fan's regulator or speed control or controller. Yes, so that's where we will place our ceiling fan regulator or speed controller. And also that's our AC switch. That's our AC switch. Okay, so outside here you see that we've installed 13 amp single sockets. Going forward, we're gonna install 15 amps single socket. 15 amp single socket, yes. For the generator input, that's what we will install there. And then also the 2-gang switch, we will make an amendment and alteration, placed 3-gang or 4-gang switch, because the client is going for a POP design. And then POP, as you can see, POP comes with multiple lighting system. It comes with all kinds of lighting systems. So we will change our 2-gang switch to 4 or 3-gang switch, depending on the lighting system that we are going to use in the storeroom. This is what we have for you today. So please, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button in order to be notified anytime we upload new video on this very channel. And also don't forget to hit on the like button. Okay, so have a nice day.